What is going on, YouTube? Hope you guys all doing well, man. It's been a long time since I made a video, but I'm feeling good because I'm back. And the Mark 7, baby! Just got new trans. I'll give you guys a scoop on that, but scooped up the new trans. It's in the back of the car. I'm still driving with my current broken trans. It doesn't have 4th or 6th gear, but you know, it's driving. So yeah, on the way to Darren's shop, we're gonna go install this shit. Hopefully everything goes well. I got this trans from New Jersey. Came out of a 2017 performance pack car, 6-speed, like 30,000 miles on it. So just gonna do a direct swap and never no lift shift again and hope for the best. We're back in the Mark 7. Got the new transmission installed. First and foremost, I want to give a big shout out to Darren, letting me come through to his shop, use his space, and just having the time for me to come through, man. So I really appreciate that. Got a 2017 6-speed performance pack trans. Had 30,000 miles on it, really good shape. Drove down to New Jersey with my dad's car to go pick it up. And little do you guys know, my dad actually has a Mark 7 as well. So I can show you guys that car. Planning on doing like a little father-son build. You know, might surprise him with some mods and whatnot, but went down in the Mark 7 to pick up the transmission for the other Mark 7. So yeah, it was a mission, but I'm really glad the car's back, guys. You never know what you got until you don't have it anymore. So I'm just really appreciative and glad to be back in the car. It feels like I'm back at home. But yeah, guys, whole point of this video just to tell you guys I'm alive, doing well. Hope you all doing well too, man. Sent out some data logs for my Pro Tune, so hopefully I get those back. And if you guys want to see me do a data log and whatnot and show you the whole process, we could definitely get that done. It's a boost, baby. God damn! That shit pulls, man. That shit pulls. And I'm on 93 right now. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to see the whole process of the data log, I can show you guys how to do it with the cob and everything. I'm just hoping my tuner gets back to me with the updated logs. I did a pull on the base map that they sent out, and it felt really, really good. But that's just the starting point, so plenty of work to do, guys. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for more videos. I'm trying to put out some more content for you guys. I know it's been a really long time. I miss making videos. It's one of my hobbies to do this, and it's just a lot of fun. I enjoy it. So let's get right back into this. Catch you guys in the next video.